Yes, we are back with the new topic called as clustered system. In the previous video, we just discussed about what is the difference between single processor and multi-processor system. Now we are going to see about the clustered system. So by seeing the image, we have n number of systems which are connected in a network, and they are sharing the storage which is common to everyone. But by illusion, it acts as a single system which is sharing which is have a storage device. That's all. So that's what cluster is. Nothing but normally a cluster means it actually a group which is a set of loosely or tightly connected computers working together as a unified computing resource, which will create the illusion of being one machine. Clustered operating system which actually similarly works to the parallel operating system, where they have many CPUs. Cluster systems are created when two or more computer systems are merged. Basically, they have independent computer but have common storage, and the system works together. So that's what you have n number of system connected here. How a LAN will be connected, so likewise it will be connected, but for our illusion it acts as a single machine which commonly store the storage area. Clustering, which is an effective method to ensure high availability, scalability and fault tolerance in computer system. What is fault tolerant? Fault tolerant is nothing but if one server failed, there will be a standby to perform the failed task. One more server will take the responsibility to complete the failed task. So that is available in clustering. Then next we are going to see about the types of cluster system. Primarily there are two types of cluster. One is asymmetric and one more thing is symmetric cluster. And in this type of clustering, all the nodes run the required application. One node should be in the hot standby mode. So that's what I told. What is meant by hot standby is it is used for monitoring the server till it fails. When it fails, then the other server will take care of the task. What is actually symmetric? In this type, all the nodes run application and monitor other nodes at the same time. Here there won't be any failed, it doesn't need any hot standby key. Okay, one more cluster, we have a special cluster which is called as the Beuwolf cluster, which is nothing but a group of computers which are identical and commodity grade. What is meant by commodity grade means all the computers or the system will be in the first quality, will be made of first quality, or it runs in an efficient manner. So how these Beuwolf cluster will be arranged is, it will be arranged and networked in such a way that how a LAN connection is connected, it depicts the same way. As I said before, it works similarly, typically like a parallel computer. So that's what they have mentioned. Beuwolf clusters or parallel computing clusters with high performance. And the next topic is operating system operations. So what are the major operations an operating system will perform? Is you have process management, you have file management, you have device management, and you have memory management. So let us see one by one. The first thing is called as the process management. So what is actually a process? A simple task is called as the process. Say for example, if a process is if an user is requesting the operating system to print something, so that is a process. The OS actually is responsible for managing the process, where it will assign the process to a processor to a process at a time. So this is actually known as process scheduling. The different algorithm which a process scheduling are used are, the first thing is called as first come first serve, FCFS. The second is SJF, shortest job first, and the priority scheduling, and round robin scheduling, RR. So there are many scheduling queues which are used to handle processes in process management. Let us see one by one in the upcoming videos. Thank you.